Today we're making a tres leches cake. This is really popular. I've already made it 3 or 4 times now, so I definitely recommend this recipe. As usual, it will be linked down below, as well as the measurements if you guys want to make it at home. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to start by adding your egg whites, and you want to mix this until it becomes frothy, and then you want to add in your sugar around 2 tablespoons at a time. Once your sugar is all incorporated, you want to mix this until it's white like this and glossy. Now we're going to move on to our wet mixture. In a small bowl, you want to add in your softened butter and your sugar. Once that's creamed together, you can start adding in your egg yolks one at a time. Now we're going to set that aside and add your flour, salt, and baking powder in a bowl and whisk till combined. Now we can start putting everything together. You want to start pouring half of your milk into your egg yolk mixture and then adding a little bit of flour and just keep doing that back and forth until you have everything incorporated. The last step for the batter is adding a little bit of your egg white mixture at a time so you can fold in between. Once your batter is done, you want to go ahead and pour it into a 9 by 13 inch pan and set it in the oven at 350 degrees for around 35 to 40 minutes. Once my cake was cooled and out the oven, I just mixed together my 3 milks, which is going to be heavy cream, evaporated milk, and sweetened condensed milk, as well as a splash of vanilla extract. So we can go ahead and pour that into our cake. Once your cake is cooled, you want to start by poking the whole thing with a fork, and then you can start pouring your milk mixture. Next, you want to set this in the fridge to sit either overnight or for a few hours. It's up to you guys. I set mine overnight, and now we can start making our whipped cream, which is just heavy cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. And just keep mixing this until it becomes thick enough so you can do piping. Once your heavy cream is done, you can start decorating your cake to however you desire. This is how I decided to pipe mine, and then I also added some strawberries in the center just to add something extra to it, and I think it helps add more of a decorative look to it and make it look more pretty. That brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure if you try it out, let me know how you liked it in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys shortly with a new video. Bye guys!